Sunfab was founded in 1925, 93 years ago by Yrityksens Dean. The company is located in Hudiksvall in the middle of Sweden, and today we are around 100 employees working at the company. We are manufacturing hydraulic pumps and motors for the mobile hydraulic business. Around 90% of our sales goes to export to around 60 countries of the world.
From the beginning, like a traditional manufacturing unit, we have a single loaded machine. We don't operate in each machine. Today we use, I would say, almost every machine is integrated with an automatic robot system in some kind of a way. The first big advantage with having a fully automatic production unit is that we have the robot can do the same movement over and over again with the high precision, and we also can add a lot of quality aspects like measuring points with loading and reloading systems. The input of the information we do to the ERP system, we trust them 100%. We need to know when our products are finished in the production line, so the assembly line can move on with the assembly for the products to our customer.
Tekniken går framåt i den här verkstadsvärlden. Och sen så har man ju repeternoggrannheten jämfört med en manuella som man håller på med förut. Det är ju det som är fördelen med den nya tekniken så att säga. Och sen så blir det ju enklare att göra insatser för arbetsmiljön också, med tanke på att man gör färre saker.
Fördelen är att det sliter inte så mycket på kroppen och jag får möjlighet att lära mig mer.
We manufacture around 500,000 pistons each year to have the volume that we need for our output of our deliveries. The total cycle time for a piston to be finished from raw material, iron bar, to a finished piston is around 2 minutes. The machines are integrated with monitor, always sending back live data of produced units and use production time, so we always know exactly where we are in each production order. Each morning the team leader gather around the production group for a quick status for the production for the day. The input from the morning meetings it takes to a second level of production meeting. If we have spotted something that we need help with, we ask for help in the second planning meeting. From the 90s, Monitor's ERP system was introduced to the Sunfab. We are still using Monitor ERP system.
We have an excellent service and support to our customer, and thanks to our ERP system Monitor, we're able to maintain the flow in the factory and always deliver on time. In the coming years, we will increase our capacity in the factory, and we will continue our cooperation with Monitor to further streamline our production.